Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen issue on XPS 13-inch 9310 model number. So if you have XPS 13-inch 2-in-1 or simply 9310 model number, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to update the latest graphic driver from Intel website. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Intel website. Click on graphics, and you can go ahead and install the latest graphic card driver from here. So right now the latest one is 27.20.100.9316. So click on this and then click on the exe file. So it's Windows 10 64-bit. So click on this exe file, and once the download is complete, run the exe file and install the driver, and then restart your computer, and the black screen should go away. You can also use Intel driver and support assistant. For this, copy this link and then open this website. Click on download tool now, then run the exe file. Click on yes to allow. Agree to the terms, then click on install. Click on accept. Click on yes to allow. And once the installation is done, it will scan your computer, and if there is any update for your graphic card, it will let you know. Install it and then restart your computer, and that black screen should go away. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and disable SDR. To disable SDR, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then go to system, and then from here go to Windows HD color settings and turn off play HDR games and apps. The next step is to disable option which says change brightness level automatically when lighting changes. So again, go to start menu and then click on setting, then click on system, and then you go ahead and uncheck the option which says change brightness automatically when lighting changes. So uncheck this check mark over here, and then that black screen should go away. Now if nothing is working, you can lower down the refresh rate of the monitor to 48 Hz. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to system, and under the display scroll down and click on advanced display settings, and then the refresh rate over here, you can see it's 60 Hz right now, so you can go ahead and switch to 48 Hz and the screen will go black. So click on keep changes, and after then restart your computer and the black screen should go away. So one of the steps should definitely help you to fix the black screen issue on XPS 13-inch 9310. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.